Hi, welcome. Today I will be guiding you through our cleaning services, and this is going to be through FreshOraClean.com. Specifically today I'll be showing you how to navigate our rental cleaning service. If you scroll down in our home page, you're going to be able to see our location and hours and our information. If you scroll up, it's going to tell you more about our company and what we're all about. So here on the left, you're just going to click rental cleaning service. And here we have many different options. At the top, it's going to tell you more about our rental cleaning service. So we have options from studio to 1 bathroom to 5 bedroom to 6 bathroom. And for now, as an example, we're just gonna click the studio 1 bathroom and hit next. So here is our little overview of the purchase, and before you hit next, it's gonna ask you if you want to add anything else to your appointment, any rental services or residential cleaning services, and you're just gonna hit next. Down below, it's gonna tell you the appointment summary, and here you can choose your date and your time. So for now, I'll pick Monday at 12, just as an example. And then it's going to immediately take you to checkout. It's going to ask you for your phone number, your first name and your last name, your email, and then it's going to ask you if you want to sign up for text messages. And then you could just click yes, and then it's going to ask you where the appointment is going to take place. You're going to select code, and then it's just going to ask you if there are any appointment notes where you can add whether you have pets or if anyone's going to be home, or just little side notes. And here it's just going to ask you for your card information. This is not so we can charge you right away. It's so that we charge you after, but we can hold your spot for the appointment. But there is a cancellation fee if not canceled ahead of time. All right, and then here is the summary and the total after the taxes. Once everything is okay, you're just gonna hit book appointment, and it'll book the appointment for you. And after you press the button, it should send you text messages regarding your appointment. And then to view your appointment, you just go back to the home page and select My Bookings. All right, that's it for today's video, and that is how to navigate our website.